Welcome back to another market recap. Today we're going to be looking at the market for today, September 13th, 2024. And we're going to be talking about a 2-to-1 trade you could have taken, and we're going to look at some other trades from other people as well. So hopefully you enjoy this video, and I'm also going to do a little bit of talking about sessions and session highs and lows and how that can be helpful, because I think today's a good example of session highs and lows being taken out. So we're going to take a look at that too. So first, we're going to take a look at that trade. So this was towards the end of New York AM session. This was a 2-minute inversion. We had our data low down here, and you can see we came down, swept out this data low. When we closed above this old 2-minute gap, you target this high, stop loss a little bit below, and this was about probably like a 2-to-1 risk reward trade. I'm gonna pull up this trade from Dodgy. You can see Dodgy took this one, but the conviction in this trade, a lot of it comes from sweeping this data low, right? Because the reaction off that data low tells you a lot, and you come back up, inverse the fair value gap like that, you're probably going to go to buy side. So anyway, really nice trade. Dodgy actually predicted this before it happened. He drew this crazy line here, but he predicted that this was going to happen, so I think that's pretty crazy. And anyway, I want to talk about this from Hydra. This is a little less straightforward to me. I'm still trying to understand exactly how Hydra enters sometimes, but previous hours low looks like he's marked out the previous hours low, and we came down, swept it out, and this is a breaker. He's pointing out this is a breaker because the series of up close candles down, a high, a low, or a high, a low, a higher high. And so anyway, this is the breaker. I'm guessing. I could be wrong. I'm gonna do a video on breakers soon, but anyway, he draws out that we close above this breaker. So I guess his entry model here is the close above the breaker, but someone's gonna have to let me know what he's doing to enter, because it's not exactly clear to me what he did. But you can see this happened at around 9. Yeah, this happened at around 9:30. So if someone understands this trade from Hydra, please say something in the comments, and I want to hopefully understand his trades a little bit better. But clearly he caught this nice move, and apparently he's saying that this time here is a macro from 20 to 40, from 920 to 940. So something to keep in mind for the future for sure. 920 to 940 macro. I didn't even know that was a macro. Or maybe I'm a little confused. How did I not know that that's a macro? Anyway, 920 to 940. I'm just going to have to remember that for the future. That's crazy. But he caught this awesome trade, and yeah, it's good to know that this is a macro now. And then I also wanted to talk about session highs and lows. So I think today's a great example of session highs and lows getting taken out. I haven't looked at this yet, but if I draw out the Asian session, so from 20 to midnight, so here's Asia. Whoops. and you can see we swept Asia's high and we come back down to the other side of the range. So that's pretty cool. And this is also sweeping previous day's high. So this is previous day's high right here. So that's pretty cool to note. So if you were trading London, this would have been a pretty good trade if you somehow had an entry model to take advantage of this. But previous day's high, sweep out previous day's high, sweep out Asia high, and we distribute back down to the downside. Then from 2 to 5 a.m. we have London. And you can see we sweep out London's high and we come to the other side of the range. So that's pretty cool. And then we sweep out London's low and we come towards the other side of the range. And we sweep out London's low again and also Asia's lows in previous hour. This is, like he said, this is previous hour's low. Previous hour's low. And then we come back up to the upside. So we're going to have to understand Hydra's entry model a little bit better. Hopefully someone can figure that out. Respond in the comments if you know exactly how he entered. But yeah, I think every day we're getting a little bit better, and we're learning more and more. And so New York is from 8:30 to 11. So I might want to start. Getting on the charts at 8:30 then. It's very possible. I've been saying I'm going to get on the charts at 6:50, but I think it might be smart to get even on the, or 8:50, sorry. My time's 2 hours earlier, so it's easy to get it confused. But if I get on the charts at 8:30, that might even be better. So I'll think about it. But for sure, I'll be on the charts hopefully at 8:50 every day. But this 2.5 hour window is the New York kill zone. So I believe it's the kill zone. Yeah. So anyway, this trade right here was the trade of the day. You got this 2-minute inversion. Really nice. Straight to buy side. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.